Hi guys, Jimmy McIntyre here with little Bert, our golden retriever. I hope you're all well, safe and not panicking at all. In order to make lockdown or self-isolation a little bit more interesting or enjoyable or practical, I've decided to start a new feature called Ask Jimmy. This is where you can ask me any question about photography you want. It could be post-processing, composition, how to use a camera, anything, and I'll try and make a video on it that's useful to you. And you'll see the email where you can send those questions to popping up right now. I also want to revive Challenge Jimmy. This is where I process your images and create videos showing you how I would process the images or showing you techniques that might be useful. And you can see the email address where you can send your raw files to here. So if you send me your raw files, make sure they're nice and beautiful and interesting to look at. Oh, are you okay? Do you want down? Okay, there you go. There we go. And I'll be happy to take a look at them and process them for you. And finally, because these are difficult financial times for everybody, including small businesses like mine, I've decided to drop the price of all of my photography products by 50% for the next 30 days. This is to help anybody who wants to purchase my products but is a little bit strapped for cash right now, and also to help small businesses like mine survive. Hopefully, in no time at all, we'll be through this difficult situation. And in the meantime, there's no reason why we can't develop and improve our photography skills. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you stay well. See you next time.